Hello lovelies, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lami. So today we are going to show you how to decorate your cake at home using butter icing. Here I've already prepared my butter. That is a well greased pan. I'm now pouring the butter into the pan for baking. So this is my butter. So the pan is well greased and I'm pouring it in there. Yes, I don't want to use my hand because I want it to be healthy. So this is it. I'm making it. So yes, for the batter to sit pretty well in the pan, I have to shake it and hit it on the floor in order to get good head. Voila, this is our cake after baking. Very yummy, very nice. See how it's looking. Yes, yum yum. This is the second one because I baked twice because I wanted to get the cake very big. So this is our cake. This is how it looks. If you test it, I'm telling you, your life will never remain the same. So it tasted yum yum. Okay, so here I'm preparing the butter icing. So I just sieved the icing sugar in the bowl. So I'm trying to put my butter so that I will start mixing my butter icing. So as you can see in the video, I'm trying to put the butter there so that I can start mixing it very well. Cake making takes patience and procedure. So in cake making you have to be patient enough. So here I'm trying to mix my butter icing. So it's very easy peasy if you follow the process very well. So as you can see, I'm mixing it. I'm mixing my butter very well. I want it to kind of have a consistency that I'll be able to add the icing sugar to it easily and it will incorporate into it. So that is what I'm doing here. So I'm beginning to add my icing sugar bit by bit onto the butter, and I keep mixing it gradually until I get what I'm looking for. And in mixing your butter icing, you don't want it too thick and you don't want it too watery. If you make it too thick, it will not stick to your cake, and if you make it too watery, it will look somehow. It will be throwing away, it will not stand, and it will not give you some decorations. If you want to use your decorating brushes to bring out some designs, it will not come out if it's too watery. So you just have to get it not too thick and not too watery. So like this, I'm mixing it. I'm just mixing it to get my butter icing. Cake making is a big and long process. Can you see I'm still mixing my butter icing? It takes patience and it takes time. So you just have to be patient and be doing your thing. So here I'm just mixing it. I'm just mixing it properly. Yes, can you see it's getting thicker and it's getting more beautiful. So but if you want to make your cake, you want to have white color, you have to use shortening, vegetable shortening, instead of this butter we use. So it will give you white color when you add your icing sugar to it. But here we are not going to use it for white colored cake, so we are going to use it. We are going to add color to it, so that is why I use this butter, and it's giving me what I desired. So you see it's coming out very well. You just keep mixing it, just keep mixing it, just keep turning it very well to get what you want. If you notice it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water. But I normally add milk. You add small milk to your water and then mix it up the way I'm doing. If you notice it's too thick, you add water, and if you notice it's watery, you add your icing sugar. So I'm mixing. Okay, now here I have started decorating my cake. Yeah, can you see that? Gradually after cutting it, those white things you're seeing, I cutted the cake. So here we are praying for the celebrant. Can you see our cake is giving? We are praying for the celebrant, and some of them are just eyeing the cake. Oh my goodness, can you see that? Enoch is dancing. He's celebrating his new year. Can you see that? Can you see my handsome boy? Okay, see the assistant birthday girl. Yeah, Favor too is dancing. Oh, see that cutie. You see Galina is dancing. Oh, go mommy, go mommy, go mommy, go mommy, go mommy, go mommy. Yeah, God is so faithful and kind. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If there's anything you would want us to add to our recipe, or any correction, any addition, please is welcome. Thank you. God bless you. I love you. Bye.